Hang your floral wall stencil on your wall with blue painter's tape. You can apply spray adhesive to the back of your stencil to reduce your chances of bleed. Make sure your stencil is straight with a clip-on stencil level sold at cuttingedgestencils.com. We are going to be doing a dry brush technique that requires very little paint on your brush. Dip the tip of your stencil brush into your metallic paint and work it into the bristles by swirling it around in your tray. Now it's time to shade the rose petals to create a glowing effect. Start by swirling your brush with more pressure and paint on the tips of the petals. Once you feel the petal edge has enough paint, shade your petal until you have darker inner areas. Do this for every petal, no matter the size. Easily align your stencil with the registration marks. While stenciling, feel free to peel back your stencil to check out your progress.